Hi everybody, welcome back. Today I will be planning out my business with a monthly plan with me. First of all, I want to review my last month's plan with you. I think this would be a fun exercise, it's good for me to see what I accomplished since last month and um, these are my goals from last month. If you want to see the full video of the plan with me from last month, I will link it below. And I am just planning out goals for YouTube, blog, and my shop. So this is just an overview if you haven't watched my video from last month. So to start off, as you can see, my YouTube list is to create a July journal with me, a July plan with me, and a stick release video and a Canva tutorial. So I uploaded 5 videos last month and was able to complete the July journal with me. If you like some freebies, there are some freebies linked in that video, so go check it out. My July plan with me was linked in with my monthly plan with me in August. This is where I talked about my business also for the spread. And I didn't do a sticker release, but I did do a Canva tutorial showing you how to make digital stickers and a bonus one for making GoodNotes stickers. So check that out. And so for my blog, main priority was to set up the freebie vault, and if you haven't signed up for my newsletter yet, feel free to sign up so you can get the password to my freebie vault. I will be updating it more frequently now with new materials. And for my shop, I have decided to work on Etsy and a web shop. I have updated my Etsy shop with new releases, but I haven't done anything with my web shop. So if you want to take a look, feel free to click the link below for my Etsy shop, and I have a special discount code for my YouTube watchers. So let's review my goals for the YouTube channel. My goal for the end of August was to get 200 subs, and I ended up getting 198, which is very close. I was only 2 away on the deadline of August 31st. So I am actually pretty proud of getting close to that goal. I'm not going to fret about, 1 or 2 missed subs. So that was very rewarding. I thought I only got 195, but I actually got 198, so even better. And for my blog, I did not set up the shop that I wanted on the blog, but I did get my $50 in revenue on my blog, and that was based on some affiliate marketing that I did on there. And as for socials, I did follow a posting schedule and created more schedules to follow, so I felt really good about that. So let's start planning this month's business planner. For this month, I wanted to do another bullet journal theme. So this month I am doing more of a blue theme, and I thought clouds and some sort of baby bluish theme. So here's what I decided to do. For this month's YouTube to-do list, I have a few videos planned out, and those are plan with me's. So I am planning to do a September plan with me, which is this video, and an August journal with me, and a planner flip through. And as for the blog, I am still catching up on tasks that I haven't done last month. So a lot of that is just a lot of back-end work and maintenance. So I want to set up a few more new pages for my blog. reach out to more collaborations and scheduling new posts, and I really want to just clean up everything in the back end and update the freebie vault. As for my shop, I am mostly working in Etsy. I really want to set up the shop on my website, but I've just been really procrastinating on this part. So I really want to update the branding on my Etsy shop and update the listing bundles. My shop has been kind of on hiatus for a bit, so there's a lot of work to be done there. And finally, moving on to the goals for this month. First, I'll start out with YouTube. For my YouTube, I hope to see it grow again. So I want to have at least 300 subs by the end of the month. And for my blog, I want to increase my email subscribers and traffic. And as for the shop, I just want to increase some revenues. I know 200% sounds like a lot, but because I haven't been working on it, 200% isn't actually too much. And as usual, I am just using some washies from my shop. I have them in a bundle of minimalist colors, along with the note stickies that I have on this page. So if you want to check that out, my shop link is below, and I also have a special code for my YouTube audience. So feel free to check that out. So thanks for tuning into this month's business plan with me. I hope you enjoyed going through my goals with me. If you like more of this content and want to know more about how I plan for my business, leave a comment below. I would love to do more videos like this, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.